to show icon only for unread notification on your lock screen in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen. Tap lock screen and then tap lock screen thumbnail to go to the screen where you can edit your lock screen. As a note, if you have enabled touch and hold to edit lock screen, you can also go to the screen by tapping and holding your lock screen. Next, tap the lock screen notification box to customize it. And then select icon only thumbnail to only show icon for the unread notification on your lock screen. Next, tap done button to save the change. Now your phone will display unread notification with its icon and only on your lock screen. As the example, your phone will display unread message icon when you have unread message notification. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.